This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove school enterprise enrollment on your Lenovo Chromebook. First, it's crucial to back up all your important data, as this process will erase everything. Ensure your device is fully charged or connected to a power source to prevent interruptions. Understanding the implications of enterprise enrollment is key before you begin, as it dictates how your device is managed. The primary method for removing local data and potentially the enrollment is performing a power wash. This action resets your Chromebook to its factory settings, wiping all user profiles and stored information. You can initiate a power wash through the Settings menu, typically found under Advanced, and then Reset Settings. Alternatively, a keyboard shortcut like ESC plus Refresh plus Power can also trigger this process. Confirm the power wash to proceed. Sometimes, a simple power wash isn't enough if your Chromebook is still actively managed by the school's organization. In such cases, the device might automatically re-enroll. To prevent this, you must contact your school's IT department. Request that they deprovision your specific device from their management system. Once they confirm deprovisioning, perform another power wash to ensure a completely clean and unmanaged state for your Chromebook. After completing the power wash and confirming deprovisioning with your school's IT, it's important to verify the enrollment status. Navigate to your Chromebook settings and look for any message indicating it's managed by your organization. If this message is gone, your device is free. For a truly fresh start, consider setting up your Chromebook with a new, personal Google account, giving you full control over your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.